Hello student, we have to see the lesson number 6, that is good habits. Before that we have learned about the good food habits. Here are the good habits. Let's see the first activity. See the student. Mr. Monty is very clean. He never smells bad. Here are some things are we found in Mr. Monty's bag. Pick the ones that help him to be clean. First is the soap. Soap, yes, soap is help them to be clean. What about the bat? Bat is help him for the playing. So it is not a thing to help him to clean. Next one, that is the comb. Comb help him to be a clean. Then next, ball, no, it is help him to play. Shoes, yes, they can keep his feet clean. Handkerchief, yes, this one is help him to keep a clean face and nose. While sneezing and coughing, he can use the handkerchief for cleanliness. Next, towel, yes. Toothbrush and paste, yes. So these are the things which help him to keep a clean. Next, when a person or a thing has a no bad smell, dirt, stains and dust, that person or thing is clean. The student, if any person and anything we can say it is a clean, means it does not having any dirt, stain and any smell. Okay, so that thing and that person we can say yes, this is the clean or clean person. When everything is kept in a correct place, for example, in a room, the room is clean. Means if anything, means if suppose we will take a one room, in that many things are there and we have disturbed that things, anyhow we have kept it, then we cannot say that this room is the clean. So when we will see the we say that this room is clean, that time when all the things are there on their correct places. Why we should be clean? क्यों हमें रहना है क्लीन? क्यों, क्या ज़रूरत है? तो कीपिंग क्लीन हेल्प्स अस स्टे हेल्दी. If we have to stay healthy, we must have to be clean. Understood? It makes the place where we live, study, play and work a healthy place. Means if any place we keep the clean, then that place will become the healthy place. If we have to become a healthy, we must have to keep that place things clean. Understood? How to stay clean? Now हम लोगों को देखना है कि कैसे क्लीन रहना है. First, hands. How to keep our hands clean, that we have to see in this point. Wash your hands with soap after using toilet, sneezing and coughing. Also, your hands before and after, wash your hands before and after every meal. Understood? Wash your hands when you use the toilet. After that, then when you are sneezing and coughing, that time you are keeping your hand here, so you should wash your hands properly with the soap. Ask an adult to clip your nails with a nail clipper regularly. Do not forget to clean your nails. आपके पेरेंट्स को या घर में जो भी बड़ा है उनको आपको पूछना है कि मेरे नेल्स अभी बड़े हो चुके हैं. यू शुड So you have to ask an adult to clip your nails regularly, because nails having a lot of dust in it, dirt in it. You are playing everywhere and dust is went into this nails. So when you're washing your hands, that time it not get properly clean. Do not forget to clean your nails. Wash your hands with soap before and after meals to remove the germs. Wash your hands with soap after playing with pets and also after coming from the outside. See the student, when you are playing with your pets having the hairs on their body and they are going everywhere. They are means they does not take, they are not taking their care, means they don't know about that. This one is the dirty thing, we should not go there. In this way they don't know, and lot of germs and bacteria are there in their hairs. So when you are playing with them, you must have to clean your hands properly. Clip your nails with a nail clipper regularly. You have to take care of that. When you are clipping that with the nail clipper, it will hurt you. So ask your adult. So next thing, that is the face. Always wash your face with soap and water at least 3 times a day. At least 3 times a day you must have to wash your face. Do not apply any cream on your face. You are the too small, your skin is very delicate and soft. So if you have observed that your mama and papa and other person from your home, they are using the cream, and you have means apply it on your skin, then it will be very dangerous to your skin. So do not apply any cream on your face. Now we have to see about the eyes. वॉश योर आइज विथ क्लीन एंड कोल्ड वाटर. वाटर हमेशा क्लीन एंड कोल्ड ही होना चाहिए जब भी आप लोग आइज वॉश कर रहे हो, बिकॉज दिस ऑर्गन इज वेरी डेलिकेट एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अस. Do not touch or rub your eyes with the dirty hands. When you are playing, your hands having the lot of germs and dust in it, and you are rubbing like this, that time it will go inside your eyes and it can damage your eyes. So do not touch or rub your eyes with the dirty hands. Do not put anything into your eyes, means anything you're playing with your friends, that time you are playing with sharp things or any other things, and if you will keep in that in the eyes, it will get hurt, your eyes will be lost. आप लोग विजन आपका लॉस कर सकते हो उससे. सो डोंट कीप एनीथिंग इन योर आइज. If anything gets into your eyes, ask an adult to help you remove it. Okay, here multiple choice questions were there, so take the correct answer. This is the first question. Okay, I'll read it. Keeping clean helps us stay healthy, unhealthy and poor. Yes, definitely it will be healthy. After using the toilet, wash your hands with mud, oil or soap. Yes, correct, it is a soap. Now hairs. Oil your hair regularly. You have to apply the oil on your hair regularly. You can use any oil which is using at your home. That oil you have to use. Then comb your hair very gently twice a day. Gently, what has given gently you have to comb it. If you will like this means very harshly, that time what will happen? Your hairs will get broken down. So gently you have to comb it. Then wash your hairs with a good shampoo at least twice a week. If you will not wash it, then it will be become a very dirty. So what do you have to do? Wash your hair with a good shampoo at least twice a week. Ears. Never put anything like a safety pin, matchstick into your ears to clean them. If anything is inside your ear and you are cleaning that with the help of matchstick and any safety pin, then it will hurt you, और आप लोग वो जो आपकी सुनने की जो क्षमता है वो आप लूज़ कर सकते हो. तो उसकी वजह आपको क्या करना चाहिए? कॉटन बड्स लेने चाहिए, और खुद नहीं करना चाहिए, आपके पेरेंट्स को ही पूछना चाहिए या बताना चाहिए मेरा दर्द कर रहा है, आप कुछ तो करो, या डॉक्टर को दिखाओ, वो आपको ज़रूर हेल्प करेंगे. When you want to clean your ears, ask an adult to use the cotton buds to clean them. Okay, then use a soft cloth to clean behind the ears. Nose, which is very important. Nose. मुझे हंसी क्यों आई? क्योंकि हम लोग देखते हैं बच्चे कैसे कैसे आते हैं, उनके नोज़ कितने गंदे गंदे होते हैं. हम लोग कितनी बार बोलते हैं क्लास में से उनको बाहर निकालते हैं, जाओ साफ करके आओ. तो खुद को आदत होनी चाहिए नोज़ साफ करने की. यूज़ अ हैंकरचिप टू क्लीन योर नोज़. Understood? So you have to carry the handkerchief with you in your pocket every day to clean your nose. When you wash your face, blow your nose to clean it, and do not put anything inside your nose. That precaution you have to take, and this is the must. Now teeth. Rinse your mouth well after eating. This removes the food particles that get stuck between the teeth. When we are eating anything, means that time food particles get stuck in between our teeth. They cannot get easily outside. So what we have to do? We have to rinse our face with the water. Brush your teeth twice a day. फीट. वॉश योर फीट आफ्टर प्लेइंग. फीट की भी केयर लेनी चाहिए. खेलने के बाद आपको आपके पैर धोने ही चाहिए. कीप द नेल्स ऑफ योर फीट क्लीन बाय वॉशिंग देम. आस्क एन एडल्ट टू क्लिप योर नेल्स रेगुलरली विद अ नेल क्लिपर. विच नेल्स? Feet nails. Okay, this is all about your good habits, that all habits you have to follow in regular life. If anybody is they are not following, you must have to tell them you should follow it. Then you will become the healthy and good boy and good girl. Now here are the exercise we have to see. Some oral questions were there. Two oral questions are here. First, how should we keep our hands clean? How should we keep our hands clean? Many things you have told by me, and your this in the book also it has mentioned that wash your hands with soap after using the toilet, sneezing, coughing. Also wash your hands before and after meals. Do not forget to clean your nails. So in this way you can keep your hands clean. How should we keep our feet clean? How? See, wash your feet after playing, then keep the nails of your feet clean by washing them, and ask an adult to clip your nails, means feet nails, regularly with the nail clipper. Next, quiz. First, what should we use to clean our nose? Yes, we can use the handkerchief to clean our nose, and soft cloth. Second, how many times a day should we brush our teeth? Twice a day we should brush our teeth. Take the correct answer. We should not touch our eyes with dot hands wet, dirty and dry. Yes, dirty. Then we should dot dot our mouth after eating, close, open and rinse. Yes, correct answer is rinse. Then fill in the blanks with the help of given words wash, oil and soap. Let's read the first. We should wash our hands with dot dot after using the toilet. Yes, correct. We should use the soap for washing our hand. Second, we should dot dot our hair regularly. Correct. We should oil our hair. Sorry. Oil our hair regularly. Third, we should dot dot our feet after playing. We should wash our feet after playing. Take the correct actions and cross the wrong ones. First, we should clip our nails ourselves. Wrong, because we have to ask our adult to keep it clean. Next, we should clean our ears with safety pin. No, it's again wrong. We should oil our hair regularly. Yes, correct. We should wash our face once a month. Is it correct? No, it's a wrong. Getting? So here this E question is over. Then F, answer the following questions. That is, first, why should we stay clean? Why should we stay clean? You should write here. That is, keeping clean help us stay healthy. That's why we must have to keep ourselves clean. So this is the answer. For staying healthy, we have to keep ourselves clean. Next question is there. How will you clean your ears? How will you clean your ears? You can clean your ears that with the help of cotton buds, but you must have to ask an adult and use the soft cloth for the cleaning. Next, why should we rinse our mouth after eating? When we are eating the food particles get stuck in between the teeth. So that's why we must have to rinse our mouth after eating. Look at the picture and talk about what is happening. Also talk about what is wrong. See this picture. What is happening? Yes, it's eating time, but some fruits were getting at the downside. It's wrong, spoiling the food, wasting of the food. It is a wrong one. Test yourself, that is, pick the sentences that shows the good habits and cross the ones that do not. Wash your hands after playing with pets. Correct. Then do not clean your nails. Wrong. Wash your eyes with clean and cold water. Correct. Here student, here all the exercise are over. Now it's your duty that you should read this lesson carefully and write down the exercise. Bye bye.